Guys, this is the situation. This was used to be an N2. It's full of water. It's full of containers. This is N2 opposite CTM Old Airport. This is the bridge. Whoever wishes to use N2, you can't reach. You can't go anywhere. It's full of containers. You can't even see the road. That's how bad it is. This is N2, guys. It used to be called N2. Right now it's a dam.
So we had 56. The graders wouldn't stop moving the sand, and now we are completely flooded. The entire house is now flooding. The graders should have just left it.